Another Chance by Tigox MacGregor-Bromfield. I believe this time you are here to stay. The iron bars around my heart descend. Diet of hope and potential increases as my love continues to ascend. I need you. You need me. As air supports the wings of our ideas. Though sea and sand divide us, there are no miles supporting fears. I will hold you forever. You promise to breathe my name each morn. I promise to be by your side from dusk to dawn. Second chance ordained. Second chance will be the fulfillment of destiny. With more confidence, faith, and fervor, discoursed emotions take liberty. Another chance to realize my dream of us. Another chance to kiss the envelope you. Night echoes, he will soon be home. Cricket's orchestral new. I listen not to the words of caution. I trust you like no one ever could. I dissolve your words in my bloodstream. I won't stop to think if I should. We have years ahead, moments to make. Don't make the magic of the romance slide. I can't go back to the life without you, the edge of hopelessness where dreams died. Where is he, Lord? I know he is out there. My Lord said, be patient. Do not give fate a fight. You walked back into my life. We have another chance to make it right.